everyone, so I have been gone for a long time. That's because I moved back to the Philippines. And I do have another costume review, which is YAE MIKO. I know she's been out already for like a month or two, but I still love her, and she's one of my recent characters that I got. This was given to me by MYCOSTIME, so thank you so much to MYCOSTIME. If you want to go check them out, I will leave the website down in the description below. And also, if I have some promo codes for you guys, I will be posting it at the end of the video. Let's first open this wig. They did send me a wig cap. And I actually like these kinds of wig caps. I like the net ones. Skin tone colored wig cap. And here is the wig. It's wrapped in this net as usual. And there's also a ponytail down here. I don't really like how it's styled right now. Yeah, so when you get this wig, you definitely have to style it yourself. You need to put hairsprays so that it'll stay, but I really like the wig. It's very soft and it's full of the hair. You can't really see anything from the bottom. It's underneath the wig, and it's a decent wig. I like it. I just need to learn how to style it. Alright, so for this costume, I gave them my measurements. You can actually have it custom made. Like what I did, I gave them my measurements, or you can choose their regular sizes. I think they have extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. But they did ask for my measurements, so they had it custom made. It does take a few more days to make, but you know, it's gonna fit your body so much better. First, we have accessories here. I think it's for the hair. Let's look at that later. What is this? Is this the sash? Does she even have a sash? I don't really remember how her costume looks like. But yeah, this is probably what's on the back. It has Velcro, so in case you want to put it one by one. And it's actually pretty sturdy. I like how it's made. It's padded here, so just by the look of it, I think it'll stay on really nicely. And it's not gonna be one of those floppy costumes where you have to like pin everywhere, you know. I really like the details. Look at that. I love the Sakura themed costume. And then on the front, I think it's the front, it has these tassels. It has a bead, purple bead. And then this is the top. It's a very lightweight material, and it does come with the padding, so you don't need to wear a bra. I think her costume is backless, so that's really good that they included these already. It is also Velcro. I like this type of Velcro because I've noticed some companies, their Velcro like sticks onto the costume, which ruins it, but this is a nicer Velcro. It's not as harsh as the other ones. Let me test it. Hopefully I don't ruin my costume, but yeah, it is not sticking to the fabric. Let us look at the details. Has another tassel. These are just imprinted, but that's fine because I really like the details to it. I like that it's very precise how they printed it on. There's so many pieces to this. All my Genshin Impact costumes, there's so much detail, which is nice to find a company that makes it for you already, because just imagine if you try to do it yourself. It'll probably take like months to finish. So I think this is gonna go on the back. The ribbon, they added a ribbon with all these beads. It has these sakuras. It's just a different pattern. I don't know what part this is. Oh, I feel like it's the sleeves. Ooh, it has a butterfly. That's cute. It's a really pretty butterfly. And the tassels. This is the other side. And then we have here the last ones are more accessories. I'm guessing these are bracelets. And then this is probably a choker. This one, I believe it goes onto her head. Look how much detail they put to that. And I like the material that they used. Usually they will just use like a cheap foam material, but this is actually like a pleather, I'm guessing. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a nice material and it's not gonna break easily. And this fan right here. And then we have this. I feel like it's her necklace. And then I have these last two. It has clips on the back. And then it is her. Are these earrings? I don't know. But it has her Electro logo right here. But the other side is just plain. Alright, so I'm gonna be trying it on. I'll be right back. Hello guys. So I finally have the YAE MIKO costume. And I actually really love it. Just look at that. This actually stays. Remember my Kokomi costume? If you haven't seen it yet, I'll post it right here. Or right here. But that one, the headpieces don't stay. This one is like so secured on. I love it. I love how detailed it is. And I finally figured out what these things are for. And they're actually for the legs. They're like anklets. And I love everything, but I'm gonna be completely honest, and there's some things that I also didn't like, which is not really a big deal. Number one is that it doesn't have shorts, so you have to wear your own shorts because there's barely any coverage for the bottom. So right now I'm using biker shorts. Another thing, if you do buy this exact costume, I think it's just the design. For YAE MIKO's costume, you're gonna have to be careful because you can easily accidentally flash someone with this because you know it's kind of revealing on the sides. You just have to be really careful because yeah, it can happen with this one. Other than that, I really love this and I do recommend it. Thank you so much for MYCOSTIME for sending this to me, and thank you for being patient with my costume review because it did take a while for me to get to the Philippines where they sent the costume. If you guys haven't followed me on Twitch yet, I will leave the link right here, and also you can find it at the description bar. I do stream Genshin and also Apex, and I do wear my cosplays there. We can hang out over there, and if you have any more questions, you could ask me there. Also, I will leave you my Instagram handle right here. Follow me there too because I do post my cosplay content there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye!